Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So you guys are gonna see what I got in my June BoxyCharm. I did get BoxyLux this month. I was very interested in what I would receive in the BoxyLux, and so if you guys want to see what I got, go ahead and keep watching. So like I did mention, I did get the BoxyLux this month. The box does come a lot bigger and I was super excited to receive my BoxyLux. So for the BoxyLux subscription, it is $50 every third month, but you definitely get your money's worth, let me tell you. So let's go ahead and open it up. So when you first open it, you see that they do have this like foam right here to protect some products that I have in here. Let's go ahead and start with the first product. So the first product I receive is the Boxy Gua Sha sculptor. So this is a face sculptor. It comes in this cute little bag and it looks like this. And so basically you would just sculpt your face like this with it. I have makeup, so I'm not going to use it right now. This would be really nice when you're adding like serums to your face or like a face moisturizer like after. It's just very cool and chilling. And this retails for $32. Now the next item that I got was the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. So I was super excited to receive this. I saw in their spoilers that this was up for grabs in the boxes. I wasn't sure if it was going to be in all the boxes or a few of them, but I'm so excited I received it. I love Kylie Jenner's products so much. And you guys, look at this face cleanser. Like, this is huge. This is super full size. I also love the packaging, by the way, and I'm so excited to use this. And the face cleanser does retail for $24. Now the next thing I got was the Pure Heals Propolis 80 sleeping mask. So you would put this on your face after you're done with your night skincare routine, and you would sleep with this. So it's a mask and you would sleep with it, and it is to so you would rinse this off in the morning as well. I'm wondering if this is like to moisturize your face. Usually sleeping masks are moisturizing masks, so I'm assuming that that's what this is. So it has propolis extract, provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. So this is supposed to make your skin look more glowing and awake, and it looks like this. You guys, this is huge. It's like the size of my palm. That's amazing. This does retail for $35 and I cannot wait to try this. Definitely using it tonight. Now the next thing I received is this charcoal brush set. I will go ahead and take out all the brushes for you guys. This is a 5-piece brush set. Whenever I get brushes from BoxyCharm, I get super excited because I am so lazy and I hate washing my brushes, but if I have like a bunch of brushes, it saves me like a couple days without having to wash them, you know what I mean? So the first brush is this contour brush. It looks like this, and the brush hairs are super soft, and I love the color of the brush hairs too. I love darker brush hairs. And I also received an eyeshadow brush. I also got a concealer brush. This is like the perfect concealer brush, especially for like applying concealer like under the eye or like your chin area. I also received a highlighter brush. So this highlighter brush is a smaller highlighter brush. So you would use this type of brush if you want to highlight right here in your nose or above your lip. This would be perfect because it can get very detailed highlight and you won't have highlight like all over the top of your lip, just like, you know, your Cupid's bow. And then I also received a powder brush. Now these brushes do retail for $55. Also, it was the Sleepy Mask. The Sleepy Mask retails for $55 as well. This next product I'm gonna show you is the one that retailed for $35. Sorry, I got them mixed up. This is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. This is in the shade medium tan as well. This is super full size. This is literally amazing, and I'm not too much of a BB cream type of person just because I have like a lot of scarring on my face, and so I do have to wear a very full coverage foundation. But I do think this would be perfect for like if you're going to the beach or going swimming, so that way, you know, if you want to take pictures you can still look bomb. And it also has SPF, so that's amazing. It's oil free, but it is moisturizing and it will give you a natural glowy finish. So again, this product does retail for $35 and I'm actually really excited to try it. I want to see if it's full coverage or not, or see if the BB cream does cover my scars, because if so, I definitely use this more often. Now the next thing I did receive is one of the choices. You know how on BoxyCharm, well, if you don't know, on BoxyCharm they'll email you to pick a choice, so you'll definitely get one product for sure that you know of, and you get to choose out of like a handful. You get to choose one. So I chose the Lily Lashes mascara. I've been needing to mix up my mascaras and I saw that this was one of the choices, so instead of going out and buying one, well, technically like I kind of bought it, but like, you know, I got like a bunch of items way worth my money, you know. But so I decided, well, might as well, like, I'm already paying for the subscription, might as well get the mascara in there instead of buying it separate. So this is what the case looks like. I love this gold on this black. It looks absolutely amazing. Oh wow, I always wonder if things smells. But this is what the mascara tube looks like. Very nice. It looks like this is definitely going to give you full dramatic lashes. This does retail for $24. Now the next thing I got is this Bodyography Professional Cosmetic Lip Pencil. So this is a lip pencil pack, but it comes with two. How cool is that, you guys? I've never seen anything like that. That is so awesome. Take these out for you guys real quick. So these are the two that I received. These colors are absolutely gorgeous and I would definitely be using these often. The first shade that I got is in shade Pouty. It's a beautiful pink color. I'm honestly absolutely obsessed with lip pencils lately, so I'm so excited that I got these. The next shade I got is in shade Rosewood. This looks more of like a purplish mauve type of color, and then this one's more of like a baby pink nude type of color. And these are definitely both shades that I tend to go to more often. I love using mauve lipsticks with this kind of lipstick shade that I have on now. I feel like it really makes your lips look like a lot bigger. So if that's the kind of look you're trying to go for, definitely recommend. And these two lip pencils retail for $28. Now last but not least, the next thing I got is this Tarte Pro eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited that I got this, you guys. I have yet to use a Tarte eyeshadow palette, but I do have a lot of other of their products and I know that they are amazing. I just haven't tried their eyeshadow palette before. So look, you guys, this is absolutely huge. Again, I'm obsessed with the whole gold and black look. Go ahead and open it up for you guys. Whoa, this has a huge mirror. I love palettes with huge mirrors. They're absolutely amazing. So the mirror is huge. The mirror is huge, and this is what the shades look like. So you can either mix up the different colors if you're more of like whoa. So you can mix up the different colors if you're more of an advanced makeup artist, but if you are starting out, they do have this little paper in here to kind of show you which colors to use and different looks that you can do. I know a lot of people tend to do rows, so you can do these rows, but if you are more advanced, you could totally mix them up all over. But you guys, this palette smells like chocolate. It's so cute. And this eyeshadow palette does retail for $49. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see what look I create with my months of June's BoxyCharm box, go ahead and check out my makeup Instagram. I'll go ahead and list it right here for you guys. That's where I show you how to create all of my different kinds of looks that I do. And if you guys want to save some money when you subscribe to BoxyCharm, go ahead and check out my referral code down in the description box. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and turn on your notification button on to get reminded every time I post a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.